Everybody, welcome back to Barr Run Farm and Forge. We got a special treat today. We've received a package from our good friend Miggie down at DatBoiMiggz. You can find him on Instagram. We'll put all the links in here. But he also provides a bunch of apparel for welding and metalwork, and we have a package from him today.
Cool. Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Very nice package too,
Yeah.
by the way. Let's start with that. Miggie, nice job, buddy.
He's got his logo there in the back.
Stickers.
All right. Let's see. I got the brown and black one. And black.
Got his logo on, man. They're sharp.
Yeah.
So these are FR shirts. They're rated for welding, flame resistant. These are kind of cool too, because they got the snaps on them. Look at that.
You can get the logo inside.
Uh-huh. Cool. So really like those. That's really cool.
Yeah.
So I've been using a Western welder shirt, and I love using those, but I kind of wanted to have a secondary one. And I saw Miggie online doing some really cool stuff. Puts out some great discounts. He hooked us up, took care of us, and these are from him. We connected with him and wanted to promote him as well. He does some really cool welding videos on Instagram, also has YouTube. These are super cool. Gonna love them.
Biggest thing is we have to see how they fit.
These look fantastic. They fit good.
That's good.
Yeah. I like the feel of them. They're not stiff. They're not.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, it's a shirt. It's
yeah.
not the big heavy leather
Right.
jackets and stuff. American flag on the side. Look at it.
That is still nice. That's sharp looking too.
Just all around. These are super sharp. And you got your place for your pen, for your marker right here. Keep that handy. Miggie, dude, these are killer, man. These are awesome. You guys will go check out DatBoiMiggz. We'll put all the stuff on the description and everything. Go check him out. Watch some of his videos. Buy some of his merchandise. He's got welding helmets, lenses, FR pants, FR sweatshirts. He's got all the gear you could possibly want for all your welding needs.
I think we should test out and do some welding.
Let's do it, man.
Tell you what, man, these are great. I love them. Absolutely love them.
Game changer, man. Miggie, thank you so much. Guys, go check him out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.